Hello my people, amici from everywhere. Tonight it's a special night of lasagna, traditional Italian recipe. It's a lasagna made with my ragu and my bechamel sauce. Came out very well. Stay tuned to our channel. Please like and subscribe and watch until the end because there will be a link to our recipe for ragu, that it's ragu alla Bolognese, and for recipe to bechamel sauce. Thank you very much, and let's see how I made it. The water is boiling, the ingredients are ready, the meat sauce, ragu, it's ready, the bechamel sauce is ready. If you watch until the end, there will be a link on how I made the ragu sauce and the bechamel sauce. And all these ingredients are for the classical and traditional lasagna. The lasagna is made with fresh pasta, like this, you see, it's fresh and it's thin. I'm gonna boil the pasta for 1 minute or less in boiling water. After that, into the cold water, I put some ice here, it's very cold, to stop the cooking. And after that, we're gonna build our lasagna. We cook the pasta for 1 minute or less. Our pasta is ready, you see, like this. It's cooled, we stopped the cooking process, and now we are starting to build our lasagna with ragu bolognese and bechamel and some fresh grated parmesan reggiano. First is the ragu, the beautiful ragu. Add some a little bit on the bottom. Make sure you put the ragu in the corners too, not only in the middle, because when you have the portions, everybody has to get some ragu, not only in the middle. Now we add our bechamel, our beautiful bechamel sauce. Parmigiano, like this. It's going everywhere. Good. And our first layer of pasta. Our nice pasta, you see? Going like this inside. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just build layers over layers, and everything, it's wonderful. Now bechamel. And this is how you build it until the end. Okay. This is the last layer we got. Now we have the meat sauce, the ragu sauce, the bechamel sauce. Beautiful. I love the bechamel sauce. It's a nice sauce, one of the 5 mother sauces in the French cuisine. Now this, we're gonna stay in the oven for like 40 minutes, 45, depends how thick it is. If it's not thick like this one, you just check check it out to be nice crust and nice color. Don't burn it. At 425 degrees. Parmigiano. If you like Parmigiano, you can put how much you like. This is ready to oven, 40 minutes. For you will be a second, for me 40 minutes. I'm gonna see you later to see when it's done. See you. After 40 minutes on 425 degrees Fahrenheit, our lasagna is ready. We're gonna let it stay for 20 minutes to cool down a little bit, and then we are serving on a plate. Taste it and see what is this meraviglia. The lasagna is ready. I let it rest for like 30 minutes. It's okay to rest it a little bit, not eat it very hot. And we got nice layers with ragu Bolognese and béchamel and parmigiano. It's very nice, right amount. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna tell you how it came out. Fork and knife. Let's taste it. It's very soft, beautiful and juicy. Let's see. The flavor is incredible. I can taste the ragu. The salt is perfect. Parmigiano, bechamel sauce, fresh pasta, lasagna, happiness. What do you want from the life? Be happy, eat well, and see you soon. Thank you.